Hi good people, East Africa here again, and in today's episode it is not like every other video that we always watch on this channel. So I'm coming up here to tell my, should I say, my Niger people, I'm coming back to Nigeria. Yeah, you'll probably be watching this video when I'm in Nigeria already, but then if you reside in some of these places I would mention, I'm not going to mention everywhere I'll be visiting in Nigeria, but then these places I would mention. So I'll be visiting Aba. The last time I just passed through, I just transited through Aba, but this time around I really want to come and explore the city and see what it's got to offer. So if you reside in Aba and would love to take me around, this is like the first place I'll definitely be visiting in Nigeria. Then I'll also visit places like Owerri, Enugu, Oka, and some other places, so many other amazing places here. So if you reside in any of these places, please do reach out to my Instagram. It's Elstar Africa, as you see on your screen. Facebook as well is Elstar Africa. I really very much appreciate you reaching out, and I would not waste any time to respond to your messages. I really want to explore Nigeria with a Nigerian as well. The last time when I visited Nigeria, my first time, many people were complaining that I went around just myself, and to some people it was really not the best of maybe the best of experiences. I had not really explored the way most of you expected me to, but this time around I really want to interact with the locals and maybe do some more amazing stuffs that I didn't do like the previous time. If you reside in any of these places, please reach out to me. I really appreciate having or to see your message here, and I'll also be very happy to meet you all. This is actually a video that's just straight to the point. If you're not subscribed here yet, consider subscribing, because yes, this is almost like the ending of 2025, and I want to end 2025 in a grand style and start 2026 on another bigger style way as well. Yeah, so if you are not subscribed, consider subscribing, consider liking my videos, consider sharing. Do leave a comment of where you're watching me from. This is one thing I really want to know. And yeah, this is Elstar Africa. I'll get to see you in Nigeria next. Thank you for having watched this video. It's a peace out from here. Then equally, my people, I'd like to say that traveling is really not something that's easy. Traveling is like a lot of funds to travel. So I would want to maybe plead with you all, if you can be able to support me. Maybe you've been wanting to support me and you're always wondering how you can support me. So this is my bank account. I'm going to be dropping the details in the description box as well of every of my video from now moving on. I'm going to drop that. It's a UBA Bank account, or United Bank of Africa bank account. So if you want to chip in something to support my journey across wheresoever I'm traveling to, this is, I think, the best and better way as of now to be able to support me. Cheers.